Our apprentices make the difference every day. Take Luca, who was nervous about joining the working world, but from day one, he got one-on-one support from leaders who saw his spark and colleagues who became friends. And now he's confident and thriving, knowing he truly belongs. And Hafsa, who joined KPMG to do more with her career. She's turned her passion into purpose to make a lasting difference to the lives of others, fundraising thousands of pounds to build schools for orphans in Kashmir. And Tina, who wanted to get her qualifications with a hands-on career. So, with time to study, support at every step, and new skills to learn on the job, Tina is now on track to use her knowledge to help others as a qualified solicitor. Come and make the difference with a KPMG apprenticeship.